Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the family of my client, Mr. Corey Turner here. As you know, I've been posting on my story all day the status of this case. Well, it's now time for me to tell you the final outcome. First of all, this case was very unique in many, many different ways. When I came here on Tuesday, so today is Thursday now, when I came here on Tuesday, can you believe I didn't think we were going to have a trial because we were number 13 on the list. But the judge said, no, we're going to trial. At that point, did my opening statements. We went through the trial. My client was accused of doing 106 miles an hour, running from the police, fleeing and attempting to elude in 2 counties. At the end of this case, or while I was doing my closing arguments, I told the jury that they can find him guilty, not guilty, or they don't have to make a decision at all. It is so important that when lawyers have trials, they have to know to be able to tell a jury, you got 3 options, not 2 options. And so the jury today finally said they could not reach a verdict. So my client is not facing that 10 years in prison. He's not even facing that misdemeanor conviction that I asked the jury to convict him of because I wanted a misdemeanor versus a felony. As you can see, Mr. Turner is standing right here, and this is his family. And tell the public what you think about the fly lawyer.
He's the truth.
The best. Throw all your money at him.
Mr. Turner, I'm so happy you're going home, my guy. It is so, so important. And ladies and gentlemen, and when you're fighting that case, you make one phone call, and who's coming through?
The fly lawyer.
In the house. Thank you, my God. Thank y'all for putting your trust in the fly lawyer. Thank Gentlemen, the fly lawyer here, one of the jurors who wouldn't let me put him on camera because I asked him about the case, and the first thing he told me, he said, "You're the most strategic lawyer I have ever met." And I must admit, this was a tough trial, but I knew I kind of had it wrapped up because when the jury walked in and saw this flyness, I can tell they had never seen a lawyer this fly. And so I knew I had an upper leg at that time. Ladies and gentlemen, when you're fighting that case, it is important that you hire a lawyer that's not going to just be fly. You need to hire a lawyer that also knows how to win. And I want to thank God for Judge Kruzinger here in the Fayette County Superior Court. She kept the prosecutor fair. She kept the defense fair. Judge Kruzinger, it's hard to pronounce her name, she was the fairest judge in this county that I could possibly go before. Thank you, Judge Kruzinger, for giving Mr. Turner a fair trial.